Charmaine Gonzalez. Not only to travel, but to discover the beautiful scenario around the world. I know the world has so much to offer, and I know that I have to be offered too. I want to serve for the people, and I want to see the smile of people faces and to be a reason of their smile. I know hospitality that runs in blood of each and every Filipino. I know I can serve the pure love and affection. To be blind attendant comes with patience, discipline, and responsibility. And I'll be ready to wherever the airplane takes me. Once again, thank you for 6, Mr. Dave Gonzalez.